Hi, today I'm going to be talking about a project I've been working on, which utilizes some digital logic and pulse width modulation, among some other stuff. You can follow the full design process and check out the schematics on my website, austinmartratt.com. Alright, let's get to the bench. Here's a circuit that I've been working on that has multiple functionalities. Runs off of a 9-volt DC battery. This is the original schematic that I started with, the concept, and it's changed quite a bit. You see we have two push buttons right here. This one controls the prime power, and this one controls the pulse width modulation. This push button is my LED select. So basically how this works is, if I push down this first push button, my fan comes on, and now this is routed into two D flip-flops and a couple AND gates, which will handle the logic for selecting my LEDs. If I press this push button once, green comes on, press it again, red, one more time, blue, fourth time is off. Now go back to our pulse width modulation, which I did with a 555 timer in astable mode, and that's just controlled by a potentiometer, the frequency. Now if I have the power pin, or the power push button, and the pulse width modulation button pushed down at the same time, I have that going in to my D flip-flop clock, and I could cycle through all my LEDs like that. That gives you a better view of it. If I release the pulse width modulation, and I just have power going to my select lines for my LEDs, press my push button once, again, and off. Thanks for watching.